Most people think democracy is the best system ever created. Plato thought it was a disaster waiting to happen, and he explained exactly why, 2,400 years ago. Plato believed that giving everyone an equal vote sounds fair, but it's actually dangerous. He said most people don't study politics, don't understand power, and don't think long-term. So they vote for whoever makes them feel good, not whoever is actually good. He called this the rise of the demagogue, a leader who wins not with truth, but with emotion. Sound familiar? Plato warned that democracy doesn't die from the outside, it dies from within. First comes freedom, then comes chaos. Then comes a strong man who promises to fix everything, and the people, exhausted and scared, hand him total power willingly. Plato didn't hate people, he just understood them. And that's exactly what scares us about what he said. Because when you look around the world today, he was right.